Díogad, Anton Salinger is Adam Dum, the album new A Man on a Bridge, on ceol Anois, Bang Bang, aka Lord Dudley, aka Tomáš Dudley, a Laoch, mBaile Átha Cliath.
They kept the buses in the depot so he could sleep at night. And in the morning until the evening, he kept up the fight. Those big green monsters, they're spitting diesel into his eyes. A Smartfield city feels dark and gritty. He's shooting everything inside. Bang, bang, he's running for cover. Bang, bang, there'll never be another. A long brown coat covers the pain of sporadic loss. A brass key is 45, unlocked the silver screen world. To Duke and Scott and Audie Murphy, his heroes one and all. The sisters prayed, they prayed to say that all was not lost. For bang, bang, he's running for cover. Bang, bang, there'll never be another. Bang, bang, he's running for cover. Bang, bang. High noon, full moon, gunfights in the aisles. He's walking hallowed halls. He hears the angel songs. Lord Dudley's now at peace. He's walking dead end streets. Bang bangs are Dublin ghost. He haunts the city from pillar to post. There'll never be another. There'll never be another. There'll never be another.